Okay friends, we are on to our next project and we are working with the color that's made when you mix red and blue. Red and blue make purple. For this project, you need purple paper or just purple paint or markers because we need to make something purple. And then we're using a toilet paper tube, or you can cut a paper towel tube into however big you want it. Some black paper, or you could use black electrical tape. Some white paper, and scissors, marker, crayons, pencil. Okay, so what we're gonna make is a minion, but not just any minion, a purple minion. The bad minions, kind of the monstery minions. And you're going to need to use the toilet paper tube to trace a white circle. So I just traced on paper to make the white circle, cut it out, and then drew a great big circle in the middle to make the minion's eye. Okay, then we're gonna cover the paper towel tube or the toilet paper tube with the purple paper, or like I said, you can paint or color the tube purple. I just took one piece of paper and cut it in half. Okay, and you're going to use just one of those halves to wrap around the tube, and then you can tape it in place or glue it, and you're just going to put the roll on there, roll it right up. All the extra can stay on there because we're going to use that, and I'll show you why. Okay. Then we're going to tape that in place or glue it. Minion needs a headband. Okay, so you're going to kind of have to look inside and see where the top of that roll stopped. So I can kind of push in and see where the top of that tube is, and we're going to wrap this black piece of paper, or like I said, you could use black tape, or you could color a band all the way around like that. Okay, and it'll tape or glue that in place. All right, so there we go. We've got the makings of a bad minion. All right, I'll show you what's next. We're going to put the eye on. Okay, so the eye is going to go right below that headband. Okay, we're going to use our other piece of purple paper, and we're going to cut out two shapes. Okay, I'll show you the shapes that you want to cut out. Alright, so you can see the two shapes there. So that one kind of looks like a baby carriage. But you've got two half moons, okay? One is bigger, one is smaller. I'll show you where we're going to use them for. I'm going to get it cut out. Okay, so the smaller one is going to go over top of his eye, like that. His eyelid. Okay, so let me get that glued down and show you what that looks like. There you go. Get his eyelid on. Nice. Now we need his toothy grin with all of his teeth sticking out. He kind of has an underbite, like just where his teeth stick out. So we need that. So that's what we're using the other shape for. Is going to be sort of the bottom of his mouth. So that's going to go down here. But we need teeth sticking out of it first. So now here's where you get to decide what shape you want his teeth to be. He could have pointy, sharp triangle teeth. He could have long, blocky rectangle teeth. He could have short, little square teeth. So you choose. I'm going to do some rectangles and triangles. Let's see what that looks like. And you can choose how many teeth fit on there. Get these out of the way. And let's start putting his mouth together. So now we want to attach the teeth to the top of this mouth. Okay, so it kind of looks like the bottom of a boat. So at the top of the boat, you're going to put the teeth. And you're going to glue them all on one side, however you want them sticking out. And just remember that you're going to be putting it on the Minion like that. So his teeth will be sticking out. You decide how many teeth and where you want them. Okay, so I'm going to get started on mine and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so right now here's what the mouth looks like. Okay, and now I'm going to add it to my Minion. And you can have the mouth all the way down at the bottom of the toilet paper roll and then wrap it around to glue it. And there's his toothy grin. Now, we need to do something for his hair. Right now, all he has is this. And we can easily give him hair by taking the scissors and cutting all along the top of this paper. We can make big cuts, small cuts. We can cut some pieces out. If some fall out, that's okay. We can give him a spiky hairdo. This is a fun activity to do because you can pretend you're cutting hair. See? See? Doesn't that look like a better hairdo for him? Now, if you want to, you can put your hand in there and kind of mash it down. See, I turned him upside down. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, it looks like an octopus now. Now, if I turn him over, whoa! It's really sticking out. Now he looks extra fun. I hope you have fun making a Minion. Can't wait to see it. Bye.